Hello everyone, this is Funny. You are watching Funny HS Info. Today I am going to talk about HUDSCAM codes. First of all, we have to know what is a HUDSCAM. HUDSCAM means hazardous chemical code. It is given for emergency action during emergencies. What is the purpose of HUDSCAM code? Availability of information on the hazardous nature of the substance and required control measures helps the emergency management personnel to take quick and correct decisions. The HUDSCAM code gives a vital information to fire brigade and the other emergency services on the action to be taken to combat spillage, leakage or fire in the emergency involving a hazardous substance. How to read HUDSCAM code? The first letter of code is the type of extinguished media to be used in case of fire. The second letter indicates the property of the chemical. And E means evacuate the personnel from the surroundings. The Indian Chemical Council in their publications Code for Safe Transportation of the Hazardous Substances by Road recommends that at least the area within the radius of 300 meters should be considered for the evacuation whenever E appears in the HUDSCAM code. HUDSCAM scale and key. The HUDSCAM code consists of a number from 1 to 4 and any one of the letters P, R, S, T, W, X, Y, Z followed at a time by the letter E. The HUDSCAM code is given in the form of 3WE, 2P, 2PE or 2R, etc. In this scale, the fog means in the absence of fog equipment, a fine spray of water may be used. Foam means use alcohol resistance foam or normal protein foam. Dry agent means water must not be allowed to come in contact with the substance at risk. V means can be violently or explosively reactive. Full means full body protective clothing with breathing apparatus. BA means breathing apparatus plus protective gloves. Dilute means may be washed to drain with large quantities of water. And contain means prevent by any means of available the spillage from entering drains of the water courses. Let me explain with one example. For mortar spirit with UN number 1203, the HUDSCAM code is 3YE and this would mean 3 means use foam only, Y means can be violently reactive or explosive, breathing apparatus plus protective clothes to be used in case of fire, any spillage of the substances should be contained, and E means consider evacuation as first priority. The HUDSCAM codes of some important and popular chemical transported on the Indian roads are petrol 3YE, methyl 2PE, LPG 2WE, ammonia liquefied 2PE, sulfur 2Z, kerosene 2Z. Let us summarize HUDSCAM code. The fire service personnel should carry the HAZCAM code, scale and notes for guidance. It is important to note that the objectives of HAZCAM code is not to identify the chemical carried in the vehicle. The purpose of HAZCAM code is only to provide guidance on the basic approach to dealing with an emergency. Thanks for watching Funny EHS Info. For any questions, please text me in comments. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a safe day.